Hello friends, in the last video we discussed about what is mesh analysis and related problem on mesh analysis. In this video I would like to tell you nodal analysis and how to find the nodal voltages by using nodal analysis. Okay, before going to nodal analysis, first let's see what is node. Node means in my previous video I already discussed about node. Node means the meeting points of two or more branches is known as node. Simply remember, the meeting point of two or more branches is known as node. Okay, here we have three steps to find the nodal voltages by using nodal analysis. First step is identify number of nodes in a circuit. First we have to identify the number of nodes present in a circuit. Nodes means meeting point of two or more branches. Okay, and the next one is mark the voltages at each node, and at reference node voltage is 0. Here first we have to identify the what are the different types of different nodes in present in the circuit. Next we have to mark voltages at every node. Suppose example v1 at one node and v2 at second node, like that we have to mark voltages. And we have to take one node as a reference node. In that reference node voltage is 0, that is grounded. We know every circuit is grounded at some particular node. That node is known as reference node. In reference node voltage is 0. Okay, and the third point is apply KVL at each node and solve the equations to get unknown voltages. After marking the voltages, we have to apply KVL and each node and solving the equation to get unknown voltages. These are the three steps we have to follow. Next, here see some note. If n number of nodes in a circuit, then n minus 1 equations obtained after applying KVL. Here in third step, apply KVL at each node and solve the equations. After applying the KVL and at each node, we have to obtain some equations at every node. After solving those equations only, we will get our required voltages, nodal voltages. Here, if suppose we have n number of nodes, then n minus 1 equations we will get. Okay, number of equations equal to number of nodes minus 1. This is about nodal analysis. Let's see an example problem on nodal analysis, then you will better to understand this concept. Okay, here we have one problem. Determine nodal voltages for a given circuit. Here we have a circuit. We have to determine nodal voltages. First, according to first step, first to identify number of nodes present in a circuit. Here we have one node and here we have another node. These 2 points are meeting points of two or more branches. Okay, this is one node and this is another node. Let us assume the voltage at this node is V and voltage at this node is, let us assume, V1. Okay, we know this is the grounded means this node is reference node. At reference node voltage is 0, that is V1 equal to 0. In already discussed in previous paper, voltage at reference node is 0, that is V1 equal to 0. Now we have to apply KCL at this node. Okay, at this node we have to apply KCL. Apply KCL at V means this node. Here according to KCL, entering currents equal to leaving currents. Observe this circuit, there is no entering currents, that means there is no current sources. uh, that means entering currents equal to 0. Let's see leaving currents. Suppose in this branch we have some leaving current and in this branch we have some leaving currents, and here also in this point. Okay, first let's find what is the current in this branch. What is the current in this branch? Here we know current I equal to V by R. Here V means in this branch at one end we have 5 volts voltage and another end we have V is the voltage. That means the difference between these two voltages is the final voltage, that is total voltage. Okay, according to Ohm's law we know I is equal to V by R. V is here in this branch we have two voltages. The difference between these two voltages is the resultant voltage, that is I is equal to V minus this voltage is 5, V minus 5 by resistance. What is the resistance in that branch? 4 ohms. Okay, this is the current. This is nothing but a current in particular this branch. Okay, that is right in here. Next, what is the current in this branch? What is the current in this branch? Here voltage is V and in this at this end voltage is 0. Okay, that means V minus 0 by what is resistance? 2. V minus 0 by 2. V minus 0 by 2 is the total current. Let's consider this branch. Here this branch is connected to one end is this voltage, this nodal voltage, and another end is the reference voltage. That means this nodal voltage minus reference voltage by resistance, V minus 0 by 6 equal to 0. Let's solve this equation. Let's solve this equation by simplifying. uh, to get voltage as 1.36 volt voltage. This voltage is nothing but nodal voltage. At this point nodal voltage is 1.36 volt. Okay, this is how to find the nodal voltages using nodal analysis. In next class we will go to discuss about what is super mesh analysis and problem on super mesh analysis. Okay, thank you friends.